Today we'll talk about bike fitting and how to fit your bike a little bit better to your body. And so we can get you into the clinic to see what's going on with your bike, see what kind of equipment issues you may be having, and see if what's the best fit for you. So with that being said, we'll hand it over to Dr. Bowtie in the next segment over in our garage. Thanks, Dr. Estrada. I'm Dr. Bowtie. The last things that we want to do is determine, okay, where your shoes or your feet are at relative to the pedal. So now, if you're a little bit more advanced rider, you might have switched over to some cleats and been able to use, pedals that will have a locking mechanism. Now, if you have this type, then even more so, the position of the cleat on the shoe is very important because you're basically locking in your foot into a certain position when you're clipped in, and as a result, you won't really be able to move your foot that much. Now, the problem can kind of come in is when you're adjusting your cleats, you don't want your heel to be too far out or to be too far in. Both those kind of rotational movements affect your knee and how you're riding, and you want ideally it to be as neutral as possible. That way you're able to access all those muscles and use them evenly while keeping your knee happy. And if you're noticing that you tend to want to ride with your toes in or your heel out, then that can cause some strain on your knee as well. And that can affect how much knee pain you may be having as well. Some of the stuff that we talked about right now are just kind of general, one size fits all, just different techniques that you can try to do. But sometimes just doing a simple adjustment, a simple minor correction, can affect how your body is moving throughout the whole entire lower body. And that could be a huge reason as far as why you're having back pain or knee pain or just something going on. Sometimes just something being out of alignment can cause those issues, especially with the heavy repetitive motion that you'd be doing on a bicycle when you're doing your rides. So try those tips and tricks out. If you need some help on adjusting and fitting your bike, you can give me a call at my clinic and we can get you in to get you done on a professional bike fitting. We can get you back on the road, make sure you're injury free.